flooded in there.
Somebody's moved
I'm
in.
worried about it up there, but it shouldn't be. I think it's got enough cover.
Come on, take the bottom down, Hannah.
Yes, madam. Oh no, there's a bomb there.
Yeah, that's what I said to you.
That's it. Just well hidden. Well, look at that.
Just in case we need to put
Look
it back
at
up.
it dried up in there. Oh look. First look.
No,
A little bit of wet over there, is there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a bit wet there.
So just a little bit of water coming from outside. The amount of rain we've had all the way here need to be sorted before we put the other side up. But first of all, lintel covers up here. So we're going to start today with lintel covers inside and outside. There is a massive gap in here, like air actually going in between. And I figured out I'll use up the insulation that they provide in HelloFresh boxes. And then we're going to put the lintel cover on top. So we've had a few days of, well, we've been working all week, and then we haven't had a gap in the rain. So if you start, these are the ones, is it? Mm-hmm. So if you start building a house, don't do it in February. It's raining. Oh, it's raining because we're doing our house. One of the two.
It's 5 degrees. It's pretty cold.
Yeah. But yeah, I put the insulation in.
Yeah.
And then we're ready for the cover.
Courtesy of, sponsored by
HelloFresh.
HelloFresh, Gusto, whichever one it was.
We need to do these holes as well. Through the
Yeah.
right afterwards. But yeah. So today's plan is to get some of the cladding done, get these lintel covers on, and hopefully put the doors on as well, so we didn't have to cover it up.
One of these on the inside and one of these on the outside.
I guess it doesn't matter which one is which, is it?
No, but just one's got more locks in it than the other.
Okay. Right, what are we doing next then, hun?
Huh?
What are we doing next?
Yeah, one of them's gone inside, which you don't have to do now, but we can do.
Let's do it now. This one, I think.
It says 40mm thing, so I'm wondering whether to use the 38s or 45s or stick with the 50s.
I'm wondering how we're going to get this one in here, hun.
Oh, I'm not going to do it, are we?
How are we going to get it? Not.
Oh,
Maybe we need to slide it from there.
maybe.
I don't know.
Let's go all the way to it.
No.
I'm going to explain that today.
No.
It doesn't go any other way, does it? That's the way the shiplap goes.
Yeah. Might have to have it shorter again. Oh, it's alright. It's too big. It's too big. For how we're going
Behind
to
there.
calculate how much.
It's nothing, is it?
Yeah, nothing.
Because when that goes, when you put the last one on, the last roof panels on, you ought to put this soffit board in, not soffit board, this lintel cover in place. I'm telling YouTube.
Well, we need to cut it shorter.
No, but if you put it in before and then put the roof on, wouldn't that have been the way we should have done it? Not,
No.
The instructions don't tell us that.
No.
Yeah, but they don't say to cut it, do they?
Yeah, but they didn't say cut other ones either.
No, because they didn't expect people to cut them.
Look at the panel next to it.
Yeah.
It goes higher than where it ends.
I know.
So we need to cut it. And we need to put some silicone in as well.
That's why I said don't do this one now.
Let's
We're
not
doing
do
this
it
one
then.
now unnecessarily. It doesn't say to do this
Let's not
one.
do it then.
You just hinted it, but it won't stop us from doing the outside, will it?
Well, we need to put the membrane first then. Get your sticker gun.
Yeah, I can see we haven't got any there. I'm just checking it. See what the situation is. Actually, right, I'm not laughing at you.
That's too long as well. That's the wrong angle. It's an angle. You can't get it in. That's why they said remove the thingies maybe.
Are we going to take this off? Are we going to take that off? That's nailed, isn't it?
Yeah, cutting job again.
Or we could pull it out. It probably just comes out with a lot of little, well, it's little nails. Let's get the membrane on. Come on.
Straightforward.
I'll just put it up there and we'll cut it.
Afterwards, is it?
Just, yeah. Right.
Yep.
This time last week we put the felt tip on.
But we put the first.
That's good. It's not touching up here.
That's the thing.
That's level.
There is going to be wood that goes that way, so it's going to cover that gap that is there at the moment.
Well, that is good, I would say. So I would say let's go with that.
Stick it in.
Yeah. What size screw am I going to, a nail am I going to go for?
What did it say?
40mm nail it's saying. We've got 38, 45 or 50s.
Yeah, how thick is the thingy?
They're 45mm.
Well, you want to go to 45
You
then?
can see it there. Look. The frame is that we're going into is 45 and we've got 19mm,
Shiplapped.
15mm shiplap.
Yep. I would go, yeah, 45. You expecting these to be 215 or was it 240?
What am I needing to check, sorry? Huh?
Are you expecting these to be 215?
I haven't checked any of those yet because I haven't got any of those yet. But yeah, we should do. Make sure we've got the right ones.
Yeah, I think that's it. I was saying that we should try and get these on as well.
The window ones are 240s and the other ones are 215.
Yeah, so 215.
Two narrow hole ones.
Yeah.
36 shiplap narrows. But we've got to get the one around the door first, haven't we? Yeah? So we just line them up then. We can work our way that way then, can't we?
We can do the door.
We'll do that. Whichever one you want, I don't mind. Well, the gaffer.
Listen to me, man.
Yeah.
We want to get this one probably underneath here before we stick it on.
Okay, is that where it goes, is it? That one there?
We need to squeeze it underneath it and then this goes underneath there. We need to get this way and then up and make sure the hole is in the right place.
I see why.
Yeah. We want to squeeze that in there first.
I see. I see. Right, I need the hammer and everything.
Angle, yeah?
Yes. There you go.
Get wood and
Yeah.
tap it.
Need something
Beginning with
pointy.
I've got this. That's not pointy.
I need to get that. I need to push it in the hole there.
Something like that.
I've got it. Right. I've got it. Happy with that? Want to check that?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah?
Well, is it hole in the right
Well,
place?
it's right on line on the thing and it looks to be tight. Yeah,
Yeah, it looks in line with the hole.
I feel the hole.
Yeah.
Something there.
Yeah. Right, it's nail time.
I'm just going for it now, yeah?
Yep.
Just 2 or 3.
When you can fit it in. 3.
We're in. It's showtime!
Yeah.
Which one? This is good.
Yeah.
I'm just going to measure this correct. 190. What, 180 something like that? Just in there. 2 mil, yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Otherwise,
Yeah.
come on. I'm not going too low because we've got to get that
Yeah.
under there.
Yeah.
Right.
Staying this side?
Yeah.
Or
why
doing
not?
that one challenging time first?
Hmm?
Or doing the challenging side first?
Yeah, there's no such thing as the easy side, is there? Seems
Well,
like
hopefully it's gonna slot in there.
what I need is like something to have there, you know.
Oh,
Soon I'll be able to. Are we right?
yeah.
Okay.
See the camera?
Yeah. There's someone going there as well. You allowed a little slight bigger gap.
At least it's snug.
Got anything to get that out with. Yeah. Got a lot of tools needed, yeah? For this.
What are you trying to do? Right, good. Nice. That's it. Oh, so that's...
It's 2 iron.
Well,
It just keeps pushing up there.
yeah, fine.
That's good. I need to push it that way now.
Oh, I see.
It's tricky because this is moving. Once we get past here, we're alright, aren't we? But it's the tricky bit. What's that? This one up.
Oh, so that's
Want to go on the wrong way?
this side down, isn't it? Tap
Go
that
on.
one. I think it's fine.
Right now?
Stick it in. Could be just that plank
Is
is
it?
not straight.
It's meant to be going that way, isn't it? Right. Right, watch out.
There you go.
Just go take a while.
Can't overthink it. Otherwise we'll be here forever.
Assume we're not coming out anyway. The other side, yeah. Just check. Maybe invisible?
No,
No, that's right then. We're alright then. We're alright.
flying now.
I'm doing it, hun.
I know.
We carry on a bit after we do this.
Yeah, we can
Assume
start
that.
doing the window one. Or were we going to do the trying to install the doors next time? So that
The doors?
Yeah.
We might, but
I think it's smarter to do that so that we weather tight. Good. Leave it as it is at the moment.
What?
Not putting the black bottom one at the moment.
Right on the other side?
Yeah. Unless you want to.
Well, we don't have to, do we? We're not obliged to.
We'll do it later.
We can decide then how we're going to tackle the other issue.